Om Sai Ram. In the midst of his lecture tours and turning out Sai literature, Narasimha Swamiji also attended to his official duties. He disposed of correspondence, granted interviews, presided over committee meetings and annual general meetings, and directed the daily activities at the headquarters. Some idea can be had of how much he was handling from the following extract taken from page 6 of Sai Sudha, April 1945. The president finds himself unable to cope with the increasing pressure of work, organization of the upasamajams and mandirs, and supervision of the matter for Sai Sudha are quite enough to keep all his time and energy. The institution suffers no less than the individual by concentration of all work on an old pair of shoulders. Narasimha Swamiji was doing everything travel, correspondence, writing, etc., all by himself. Had it been a government activity, a separate department would have been created. A separate university would not have undertaken the writing work he had completed. He used to direct the activities of Upasamajams himself. He used to send them messages periodically. He used to reply each and every letter addressed to him. On an average, he used to work for 18 to 20 hours in a day. Though his body had worn out, he was a dynamic young man at heart. In January 1946, the idea of holding an All India Sai Devotees Convention was mooted by Narasimha Swamiji. The movement grew out of the local Upasamajams, which in turn looked for inspiration and guidance from Narasimha Swamiji and his group of volunteers. It became necessary, therefore, for a conference to be held between the delegates of Upasamajams and Narasimha Swamiji or a body of volunteers deputed by the headquarters. This conference was planned as an annual feature to discuss problems of organization and concert measures to strengthen and expand Sai movement. Accordingly, after careful preparations, the first All India Sai Devotees Convention was organized on 16th, 17th, 18th, and 19th May 1946 at the P.S. High School, Madras. 200 delegates registered from outside and several local devotees attended. The proceedings opened daily with prayer and service in the forenoon at the All India Sai Samaj. The afternoon sessions were held at the convention hall in PS High School, Mylapore. Om Sai Ram.